The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Happy 2023, you guys. I am so excited about 2023. So many amazing things are going down in this year, and the year has already started off so right. Thank you all so much, first of all, for 2022, for all of your love, for your support, for always just being there for your girl and, watching the videos, commenting, doing all the things, your encouragement, your love, your support, your faithfulness to this channel has just been so appreciated, and I am super grateful for you guys, and I hope that you guys had an amazing Christmas and an amazing New Year as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So the first place we're going to tackle on this winter decorating video is going to be the fireplace. I just want something that is simple, something that is neutral. Y'all know it has been like abundantly decorated for the last 3-4 months, so I just want to do something simple and easygoing and keeping it neutral. That is going to be the whole deciding factor for this entire decorating today, is just the neutral tones. Y'all know I love all of my neutrals, so we're gonna go ahead and start adding to this fireplace, and then we're gonna start adding some florals and things like that to the centerpieces, and let's get it going.
To look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
If you are new here, if you have never seen my face before, welcome. My name is Shushana, and on my channel I do lots of home decor, and I am super excited that you guys are here just supporting and watching. If this is your first time, I do upload twice a week, every Wednesdays and every Fridays at 4 p.m. I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of my family here on YouTube. Definitely double tap that bell so you don't miss a notification. Let's go ahead and get into this video.
Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? Wanna fall in love in this winter wonderland.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way.
Thank you guys so much, so much for your support again, for all your love and encouragement, and for really just trusting and believing God on my behalf. We're going to have a wonderful year. We are going to have a wonderful year. I declare and decree that over my life, my family's life, and over you and your family's life as well. So may God continue to bless you guys richly. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. And I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. And I hope that I have inspired you to decorate, you know, for the winter with things that you already have. You don't have to go out and buy anything or break the bank. Just use what you already have. So Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.
Let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new.